Today's topic is consumption function. Before going through this topic, it is necessary to know that what is consumption expenditure. It is that portion of income which is spent on purchase of goods and services at the given level of income. And the functional relationship between consumption and income is called consumption function. It is denoted by the formula C is equal to function of Y. After studying the behavior of consumption with respect to Y, some significant points have observed. As consumption is positively related to income, it means rise in income causes a rise in consumption and fall in income causes fall in consumption. And the total increase in income is not converted into consumption. A part of income is saved as well, so that the rate at which consumption increases often less than the rate at which income increases. And there is always some minimum level of consumption even when income is zero. This is called autonomous consumption. We can see it by the table. Here in the table, Y is income and C is consumption. Here we see 20 is the minimum level of consumption. This is the level of autonomous consumption because here income is zero. Then consumption rises in response to a rise in income. It shows consumption is positively related to Y, and the rate at which consumption increases less than the rate at which income increases. We can see that income increases each time by 50, but consumption increases by 40 only. It also can be present by a diagram. Here we see in the diagram 2x is x and y. X-axis shows the income and y-axis shows the consumption. A line making an angle of 45 degree and emerging from the origin is drawn as the line of reference. It indicates the equality between consumption and income. And C line represents consumption function, indicating the behavior of consumption with respect of Y. After watching this diagram, we observe that consumption line starts from 20, including that consumption is 20 when income is 0. Initially, consumption line is above the income line, but eventually it is below the Y line. It indicates that the rate at which consumption increases is lower than the rate at which income increases. Slope of consumption line is equal to 0.8. It is constant at each point of consumption function. Consumption line crosses Y line at the point of B. It is called break-even point. Here we see in the diagram that B is the break-even point. Consumption function also can by the algebraic form. We can write the formula of consumption function C is equal to function of Y. Already I have seen that. And after expanding this formula, we find that C is equal to C bar plus BY. It means consumption expenditure is equal to autonomous consumption plus, here we indicate MPC, marginal propensity to consume, into Y. As shown in the figure that C bar is equal to 20 and MPC is equal to 0.8. We can write a consumption function equation as under: C is equal to 20 plus 0.8y. This equation enables us to estimate the value of C corresponding to different values of y. And that's all the consumption function. Thank you.